It is so bad. I had to go to my neighbor with a bucket to get water to flush my toilet.
It's a story you recently saw right here on 4 in Your Corner, where we're always working to get you answers. A Cape Coral family has been without running water for a week because they need a new water pump. They say they tried working with the company who installed that old pump, but they claim the owner would not honor the warranty on it and was going to have to make them pay for a new one.
Well, Good Samaritan saw our story and stepped in to help. Fox 4's Rochelle Aline in North Fort Myers tonight with that good deed. Rochelle?
The man behind that good deed owns a company here in North Fort Myers called Crystal Clear Water. He says once his employees showed him our story, he had to step in and do something.
We do everything, anything from well pumps to water systems to manufacture reverse osmosis.
To say they do a lot at Crystal Clear Water in North Fort Myers is an understatement.
Most companies go and buy their equipment from the manufacturer. We actually make and manufacture it here.
But one thing the owner of this water pump and treatment company forgot to include was how much community service they also do here. In fact, they give back so much that they've built in a monthly allowance for it into their budget.
We have allowance per month that we do, yeah.
Their water pressure has been low for weeks now.
So it should come as no surprise that when the owner saw a story that we did last Saturday about a Cape Coral family who didn't have running water, he jumped into action. David Canestra worked with the Cowell family over the last week to get them a new water pump and eventually some running water.
They want $1,000 from me, and they won't get that.
When the story originally aired, the family told Fox 4 that their water pump had broken, but the company who installed it wouldn't honor the warranty and wanted to charge them for a new one. Canestra's company did the work for free.
Thank you so much to you, Dave, as well as to Crystal Clear Water for, getting us back up and running.
The owner says it's his way of paying it forward.
It makes me feel good about myself and about the company and what we can do for people, and that's the most important thing is, helping the community when you can and you're able to.
And we're working to reach out to the Cowell family to see how that new water pump is treating them. In North Fort Myers, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4, in your corner.